Hey buddy, what's going on? Welcome to Run Hunter. From this tutorial, we will create a full CRUD operation or full CRUD project, which is to-do list or contact book. So now, first we set our project localhost/first. This is our layout. Okay. So this is our layout page and this is a welcome page, so we don't need this right now. Just write create a project like todo.blade.php. now save it. Yes, it's saved. So not to do, it's index.blade.php. okay, so now we extends layouts. Okay, now if the layouts are on a folder, like we create a new folder, include, and here a new file layouts.blade.php or app.blade.php, app.blade.php. okay, now if all code are here, then you just write app.layout. that's been, oh sorry, not app, it's include.app. that's mean this app are app.blade.php file and include are this folder. that's why index.blade.php extends are include folder on app.blade.php file. okay, so just I extend on layouts, not this, I did here, did from here. okay, now in layouts we just change this, not here and not it, and not it, cause it's are fixed and it's are also fixed. we just change this section, so just select it. We not need to footer right now, clear fixed. Okay, bandwidth, not right, this, not this, home/dashboard. okay, and this is content, alert, bootcamp. okay, start content, just cut it, and this place I write yield method, and I write a name, section name, write content. okay, now save, and web app index, I just extends layouts and write a section, and also write in section. here our section is content, and now paste all. okay, now paste all. okay, let's check. app. This is our app file. Index, we don't need app. Index and layouts. Diff, not need here. Okay, now just when we get our root route, we just view index file. Yes, it's done. So now we write here layouts page, and don't need all, just delete it from here. Not need everything, just add contact all contact. Just I need two section or two menu. Just add contact and all contact. So when I click add contact, a form are open, and when I click all contact are open. So now, so we need a controller and a model and a migration file. Okay, so just go to Laravel.com and migrations, database migrations. Just copy from here, go to C, gem, htdocs, our project. Now create a migration file. Oh, sorry, not guy mode. Not need GUI mode, we just need dev dash. Just paste here and write contacts. Remember it, our all table name must be plural. This is a good practice. Contacts. Okay, so our table name is contacts, CTS. Okay, press enter. Yes, it's working. Now we need a controller, PHP artisan make controller, its contact controller. Okay, we also need a model, PHP artisan make model, which is contact. Okay, we get three files. One is controller, second is migration, and third is model. It's a model, contact.php, it's a model, it's a controller. And just go to database folder and migration, then you can see that not need to student contact file. So we need ID, then we need name, email, phone, and image. Okay, image and letter. So just three fields: name, email, phone, all are string. Okay, so just save it and write PHP artisan migrate. Yes, it's migrate done. Just check our Apple database. Yes, contacts table are here, and you can see that ID, name, email, phone, field are here. So now our environment ready. Next tutorial I just show you how to insert a data on a table by controller. There are two methods are available. One is eloquent and second is query builder. So I will show you both. Just stay tuned, and I hope you will enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.